Hello everyone. Today I'm here to talk about my research paper Artificial Intelligence in Environmental Engineering. Few years back this was not clear in context, but now artificial intelligence and sustainable development are almost always together. We can protect our environment through various artificial intelligence technologies. So my paper here goes about with introduction, the objective, the history, the significance of AI, the various impacts and risks of AI, and the various advancements in Middle East of AI in environmental engineering. Environmental engineering is the field or study of engineering meant to protect humans from the consequences of negative ecological impacts, such as pollutants and enhancing sustainability of the ecosystem. Whereas artificial intelligence is the replication of human intellect in robots that are designed to understand and behave like mankind. Many parts of upcoming environmental engineering will be transformed by artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to be a productive tool for addressing a variety of challenges, including civil, environmental, real-world applications that are of major relevance throughout the globe. Such breakouts, which happen due to acid deposition, rising temperatures, depletion of the ozone layer, these all can be handled very well with AI. The objective, the purpose of environmental engineering is to assure the long-term viability of social transformation and the utilization of water, ground, and air assets. AI can help make these technologies very successful. The primary goal of AI is to allow systems to execute cognitive functions, just making decisions, solving problems, and comprehension of human proclamation. Consequently, the civilization will be technologically sophisticated and the ecosystem will gain from being more sustainable as a result of innovation. So, the history has been that the mankind have always been affecting the environment to suit and meet their needs at various points of time. Farming, mining, production, electricity production, and all have progressed, but this is all done at the expense of Earth's biological ecosystems and has yet to be more evenly dispersed to all. With the start of Middle Ages, the accompanying fast rise of world population, human influences on the environment escalated, resulting in large areas of tension among the modern society and the ecosystems. The Romans created sewage drainage systems, water delivery methods. In the 19th century, Britain made the first public consuming water purification facilities, the first consistently pressured safe drinking water, and the first large metropolitan sanitary drainage were built, which are considered as the origins of contemporary environmental architecture. The emphasis of this paper is on utilizing AI systems currently as they progress to have the most beneficial influence on pressing ecological consequences. It outlines the methods in which artificial intelligence might help restructure conventional industries and infrastructure in order to combat environmental disruption, provide food and resource stability, maintain diversity, and improve human health. There are many types of waste produced on the planet which are economical, social, and environmental. These all come together to not attain sustainability, but we will attain sustainability through AI over here. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. This is very rightly said, as we all are waiting for someone else to take the chance, to take the opportunity to start saving Earth. Why not we ourselves? We ourselves should go and start environmental engineering through various technologies which we can afford. The significance of AI. The most crucial aspect in AI research perhaps is to guarantee that it helps human and is eco-friendly as well as social friendly. In complement to strengthening existing solutions to overcome ecological problems, there are beneficial potential developed AI-enabled game breakers. They are mostly focused on autonomous facilities such as autonomous cars and smart cities, etc. The difficulty for inventors, financiers, and authorities is to find and expand these groundbreaking technologies as well as to integrate environmental considerations into wider AI research and adoption. These are the significant opportunity to harness AI for the Earth. Here, we outline the identified game changer AI applications to address this plant's challenges. Emerging technologies of AI environmental engineering. The previous slide has been explained better over here. There are rechargeable automobiles that are automated and interconnected. These interpret to be a cleaner, smart, interconnected, and more automated distributed short distance transportation. These all mix with AI and industrial transformation innovations such as the Internet of Things, drones, and improved composites. Smart agriculture. This has the potential to improve the agricultural industry's energy productivity by minimizing the usage of water, fertilizers, pesticides, and pollution and insect populations causing damage to key environments. Smart farming can really revolutionize the agriculture and help us in precision agricultural systems. Reduced or location-specific use of supplies, such as fertilizers, will reduce the leaching issues as well as carbon emissions. Societies developed by AI that are smart, interconnect, and habitat. AI might help potentially to be used to replicate and automate the creation of planning laws, agricultural codes, and riverbanks. Water distribution is fragmented. Machine and deep learning have the potential to revolutionize administration of water resources. The next step will be to integrate blockchain, Internet of Things, and machine learning to build a genuinely autonomous water system that values available resources and closed-loop water regeneration. When combined with AI informing costings, such systems have the potential to maximize water consumption while also driving behavior change by giving bonuses for water preservation. The graph below shows the potential improvements that may be obtained by using the AI to achieve sustainable development goals. By recognizing energy emission cutbacks, CO2 removal, assisting in the development of cleaner transportation, AI can expedite worldwide measures to preserve the ecosystem and save assets. Here are the impacts of sustainability on environment. Environmental risks through AI. While AI transformational prospects to alleviate the Earth's ecological concern, it also has the potential to trigger damage if it's left unguided. There are For a single AI, we need approximately 284 tons of CO2 comparable to 5 times the life cycle emissions of an ordinary automobile. This is much complex and thus has a more chemical emission. Managing data warehouses to adequately stay cool also is a very big problem, and this is increasing year by year. Middle Eastern advancements are likely to be important participants in the industry by 2030. As more nations make significant shift towards the usage of AI, the other sophisticated techniques, this massive wave has reached the Middle East as well. UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar have demonstrated an encouraging contribution to the success and incorporation of innovations such as information technological advancements and digital modification. With several unexplored industries and businesses, long-term expenditures in AI are anticipated to produce roughly 15% of their total GDP. With many Middle Eastern countries firmly dedicated to preserve the underwater diversity of their coastal waters, intelligent monitoring systems could come in and support the prevention of overexploitation of fishing, pollutions, and much more agricultural methodologies. Smarter ways can help in conserving our environment through drones and solar panels, etc. Conclusion. AI's intellect and efficiency improvements have the potential to open innovative approaches to humanity's most crucial ecological issues. AI is on its way to become one of the humanity's most useful technologies. With it, we can begin to make big changes to our ground, oxygen, and fresh water. To guarantee that AI is created and managed correctly, political and corporate management must verify that AI technologies are secure, transparent, and legitimate. To accomplish this, a combined initiative is required to guarantee that as AI advances, its concept of a brighter tomorrow relates to universal values and encompasses a vision that is reliable for humankind in all dimensions, its inhabitants as well as its environment. Thus, very soon we will see a world with artificial intelligence as well as environmental engineering being beneficial by this.